Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or turn off notification indicator on Apple Watch 9 or Apple Watch Series 9. So if at the end of this, you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and press the digital crown once to exit the watch face and go to the app menu. On the app menu, locate and click on settings. Now scroll down the settings page and click on notifications. Then on the notifications page, you should say notifications indicator. To turn this on or off, just toggle this up to turn it off and then toggle this to turn it on. Then once you turn on the notifications indicator, you should see a red dot can appear at the top of your watch face where you have unread notifications. Swipe down to view the notifications. So when next you have a notification, all you need to do is swipe down on your watch face like this to see the notifications. And if you want to stop the notifications indicator, all you need to do is come back here and then turn this off, and then henceforth there will be no red dots indicating that you have a new message or notifications on the watch face. So that's exactly how to turn on or turn off notification indicator on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.